In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Asana. This integration can be incredibly useful for automating your workflow and keeping your tasks organized. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive in. First, you want to open the specific Google Sheets file that you wish to connect with your Asana workspace. This is where you will manage your project data, so make sure it's the right document. Now, take a look at the top navigation bar of your spreadsheet. Here, you'll find the Extensions menu. I want you to click on that. Hover your mouse over the Add-ons option to reveal a secondary menu that will pop up. This menu contains additional options related to add-ons. Next, you'll see a choice labeled Get Add-ons. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open the Google Workspace Marketplace on your screen, where you can find various tools to enhance your Google Sheets experience. In the search bar at the top of the Marketplace window, type Asana and then press Enter. This search will bring up a list of related add-ons. Look for the official Asana add-on in the search results. It usually stands out, so it should be fairly easy to locate. Once you find it, click on the Asana add-on to access its installation page. Now, on this page, you should see a blue installation button. Go ahead and click that button to begin the process of adding this integration to your Google account. Now, you might see some on-screen prompts asking you to grant permissions. It's important to carefully review these permissions as they allow both apps to sync properly. Make sure to follow these prompts closely to authorize the connection. Once you've completed that step, you'll need to log into your Asana account when prompted. This will finalize the connection between Google Sheets and Asana, allowing the two applications to communicate seamlessly. After logging in, navigate back to your Google Sheets, and you should now see the Asana sidebar appearing within your sheet. This sidebar is your gateway to importing or exporting your project data between Google Sheets and Asana. To check if everything is set up correctly, take a moment to explore the sidebar. You should be able to see options related to your Asana projects, and you can start managing and updating your tasks right from your Google Sheets. And that's it. You're all set up to leverage the power of both Google Sheets and Asana to manage your projects and enhance your productivity. If you experience any hiccups along the way, feel free to revisit the steps we covered or check out the help sections provided by both Google and Asana. Thanks for tuning in today. If this guide helped you connect Google Sheets to Asana, don't forget to like this video and consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Happy